So I noticed there's been a new update with YouTube. Previously, when you have an interrupted upload, you have to re-upload the whole thing. So it looks like right now it just giving me this error message, upload interrupted. Click resume upload and select the file to resume. So if I click on resume upload and then pick the file which I intend to upload, I believe it's this one. It continues on where it left off. That's a huge improvement because previously you would just have to re-upload the whole thing. So that's definitely much appreciated. And to confirm everything's working right, it says upload complete, 100% uploaded. Okay. So let's see if I can go ahead and play the file. Starting on a new page. Here. There we go. Yeah. It works. It works fine.
Making a lot of noise.